Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. I am so excited to tell you about these beautiful sandals from Mijily. So I've got to start off by telling you my favorite thing about them is how comfortable they are. They are very lightweight. I love the material that they're made out of. I have a cruise coming up in the next few weeks and I am so excited to have these for the cruise. I love that they dry quickly, so even if I get them wet on the beach, they're going to dry off and they're easy to clean. I also love that when I pack them in my suitcase, they're not going to add any real weight to it. I also want to brag about how versatile they are. So the back strap comes off and it has several different ways that you can wear them. My favorite is just wearing them as slides. They're very easy to just get on and off, which is my jam. But if you're looking for more of a secure fit, then the buckle is adjustable and you can put it in any way that is comfortable for you. I also love that it has this major arch support in it. These are made so that they will actually adjust your posture. Isn't that fantastic? I've never had shoes that actually benefited me for walking in them. So these shoes just really have so many great qualities. They're easy to slip on and off. They match a lot of my different outfits, and they're going to be great on my cruise. So if you're in the market for a great pair of beach shoes, you have found them. And that's my point of view.